back to Eat With Thought. How is my lovely foodie fam out there doing today? I hope y'all having a good day. Today I have liver and onion. Oh, y'all, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I have liver and onion with some vegetable and some white rice. Yes, ma'am. This is a special request video, so here we go. I'm hungry, y'all, so don't mind me. Oh, it's nice and tender. I made this today. Asked for this. So, I haven't had this in forever. Oh, this is good. Glad I cooked today, huh, man. I haven't cooked it since Sunday. Ooh. Let me get some of that. I put lots of onions on there. Let me know who loves liver and onions. I know a lot of people don't eat it. Just like gizzard. Because I just made this today for me. I don't know what happened. It's tender though. Last night I went live. It was lit. Who ready for round 2? What y'all out there doing today? I hope everybody is good. Ooh. Hold on, I'm gonna try to give y'all some here. See that? Ooh, need that. It's kind of spicy because I made it a little spicy. I love it. Y'all know how liver is. It's tender, but it's, you know, it's got them things in it. Dang. Whoa. The kids didn't want none, so I had to make them something else. What lady?
That was trying to buy all them oxtails and she got the price.
Oh. Y'all. Right, they are. They made it so expensive, y'all. We talking about oxtails. I was in the store today, grocery store, getting this, the meat. That's a sweet tea, y'all, from McDonald's. And this lady, she was in there getting oxtail. She wanted like 20 pounds of oxtail. When she heard the price, she said, Oxtails is like super expensive now. I don't know what the hell's going on. That stuff used to be so cheap. Oh, it's so expensive. I told her, I said, shoot, use that beef neck bone, that'll work. That's what she got too. Beef neck bone was like $2 something a pound. The liver was $1.29 a pound. Mm-hmm. I don't know, liver got these little chewy parts to it.
What's another odd food you like to eat?
What's another odd food? Child.
This lady likes the whole part of the chicken.
The what?
The whole chicken. She can eat the whole chicken.
Mm-hmm.
No part of the chicken uneaten.
Yeah. Yup. I'm gonna make that trip. To everybody who participated in my live last night. You crazy girl. That's just shining in the background, y'all know. This thing got these little... It's really getting on my last nerve.
Well, you know, it can put in there. I don't know why you saying.
Mm-hmm. This sweet. It's good as ever.
Then the water from the ice is
Mm-hmm. It's good.
probably the best thing.
Mm-hmm. I swear, it's really good. Ooh. Because I haven't had this in forever. And I have some vegetables in the freezer left over. I'm just throw them on the stove. You need a good bite. Ooh-wee. Ooh, I think I just ate some. Ooh, girl. That piece that I put in my mouth a while ago, it was spicy. Spicy herb. Yeah, I used some habanero in here. Yes. I'm trying to make sure I eat my vegetables. I hope y'all eating along with me, because I swear I don't finish my food. It's been a minute. Normally I can't eat when I cook, but I was not eating the food while I just kind of made sure the seasoning was right. I wasn't eating as I was going. I sure was. I was. And I didn't make a mess today. Girl, this was good. Yeah. That was some goodies. Ooh, that's good and cold. Almond Joy. That's what I'm gonna have. Still, I need something to get that taste out of my mouth. Still is liver. That was good though. Shoshana didn't want to try. She's like, I'm good. They're such wimps. Y'all is. That's what Shamika said. She's like, Mama, I've tried it before. I don't want none.
Yeah, it's just not my favorite.
You hear that? It's just not that cup of tea.
Look, Mom.
What? What is that?
This the lighter.
Oh, for real? I'm such a... Yeah, y'all. But anyway, y'all know that's it for me right now. Ooh. That was truly good. I'm sorry. Good food make you belch. It gives you that good burp. Y'all know that. I burp around here. I eat and I burp. This is what it is. Now, I'm going to enjoy my almond joy. But I'm going to cut it short because I don't want to take no more of your time. So, y'all have a good one. I'll see y'all later.